Yeah, I know. I'm taking the water pump off of it. Even though that I am pulling the engine. But I just wanted to see what was behind the water pump. In case that I have to have it to match up, blah, 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 I'll have it off. And I'm surprised I only had one bolt break. In the block, which won't be too big of a deal to get out. I can get it out. The problem is, people want to take, ooh, that does not look good. People want to take and put silicone on the bolts, and you're not supposed to. You're supposed to install the bolts dry, or you can put some anti-seize on them, which is what I like to do. Also, I'm going to have a set of exhaust manifolds. You know what? I think it's ready to come out. Or at least one exhaust manifold that has a cracked manifold on the right bank. So I'm hoping that when I get the new engine, it comes with the manifolds on it. That water pump was good, but I'm just going to go ahead and put a new one on it anyway, on the new motor that I put in. These are going to be tight. I want all this stuff out of the way. Oops, let me tighten this up a little bit. The air injection pump is supposed to go there, but that is long gone. Yeah, I made the diagnosis. Well, the harmonic balancer is shot, so I have to have one. I'm hoping that when I get a new, or the new block that I get, ouch, 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 ouch. I'm hoping that the new block that I get comes with a balancer. I'm probably just going to have to tell them, you know, I have to have a balancer with it, or else I'll have to order one. I don't want to run into another situation like I ran into on that 400 on my Bronco. I bought a used block one time, and I needed some things like the manifold, or a manifold, and I didn't get it all. I got just the engine. Oh, wow. Oh shoot, there's another plug. What a mess. It's a wonder this thing had even charged. Wow. Yeah, what a mess. What a big, big mess. definitely will require some attention. Alright, go ahead and get that pointer out of the way before you bend it and tear that up. Before I bend that and tear it up, I should say. All this stuff that comes off gets cleaned and painted. I'm not about to stick all this crap back on it. Filthy and nasty again. Which probably this week, sometime soon, the cleanup process will start. But I have a lot going on this week, so we'll see. Well, I thought that I would show you something really neat. If you look, you'll see what happened. It spun the main bearings out of it. This is the first one. I've seen all kinds of stuff happen, but I have never seen one. 7/8. Need the 15/16. Here 15/16. Here 15/16. Where are you? Here's one for my 3/8. It's here somewhere. Shoot. Oh, there it is. Well, anyway. Oops. Tighten it up. Of course, it's got other problems now. But you can see all this stuff, that's main bearing material. That's what happened. It spun out the main bearings. Oops. There you go. Probably spun the rod bearings out of it too. But anyway, this block is probably going to be messed up, which I wasn't going to keep it anyway. Well, anyway, I thought that you would like to see that. I was kind of curious to see what happened anyway. Also myself. I have to get a T40 socket to get this upper plenum off. The EGR tube was no problem. Back in the corners where the exhaust manifold is cracked, Ultra Classic 1987 and we were just talking on the phone just a few minutes ago. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut the exhaust pipe and just drag it out like it is. But yeah, it's just about ready to come out. I'm to the point now where I'm tinkering with it. I got to cut this nut off to the side here because it's holding the coil bracket on, and the dipstick tube. And this week I'm going to start getting this harness reconditioned. I got to clean all these connectors up, take care of all that. I can hit that. I can even do that in the dark. Okay. I'll behave. I apologize if you've seen my previous video where I'm hauling this home. There's some language in it. There's nothing bad. Okay. I think I'm going to pick all this stuff up because it's starting to cool off. It has a recent timing chain in it. Let's see, he bought the truck in '04, and it never was used for much, so I don't know, it doesn't have really a whole lot of miles on this timing chain. Yeah, I think it's time to retire it anyway. Alrighty. Well, I'm going in. Also, this fan clutch, I gotta replace that. Just some odds and ends here, which like the distributor cap and all that I'm going to use over. All of this is going to get repainted, cleaned up. The distributor, of course, I just put this in new. If you look back a few years, couple of years, 2012, I think that I've got the videos where I put that in. And all that gets cleaned up and all the metal gets painted. It'll look at least like a new truck underneath the hood. Okay, thanks for watching.